Hi students, welcome back to the class 6. Example, if G is a group and H and K are subgroups of G, prove that HK is a subgroup of G if and only if HK equals KH. Here it is given that G is a group, H and K are subgroups of G. In the first case, we should take HK is a subgroup of G, then we should prove HK equals KH. Conversely, take HK equals KH and prove HK is a subgroup of G. Okay, first let HK be the subgroup of G. It is given that H and K are subgroups of G. Therefore, by the theorems on subgroups, H equals H inverse, K equals K inverse because H and K are subgroups of G. Now take HK. HK equals HK inverse. But HK inverse equals K inverse H inverse. K inverse equals K. H inverse equals H. Therefore, KH. HK equals KH. First part is proved. Conversely, let H and K are subgroup of G and HK equals KH. We have to prove that HK is a subgroup of G. Consider HK inverse. HK inverse is K inverse H inverse. K inverse H inverse. Here K is subgroup. Therefore, by the theorem on subgroups, K inverse equals K. Don't write K inverse equals identity element E because K is a subgroup. K is not an element of a group. Okay. H inverse. This can be written as H inverse. H inverse, same. H inverse equals H because H is a subgroup of G, that is KH. HK inverse equals HK. By the property of subgroups, this property. By the property of subgroup HK is a subgroup of G. Okay, example, if G is a finite group and A belongs to G, then prove that order of A divides order of G. It is given if G is a finite group and A is element of the group G, then we have to prove order of A divides order of G. Solution, let order of A equals M. Then this can be written as A power M equals E. Let G be a group of order N. Then we can write A power N equals E. Since M less than N, because M is order of an element A of a group G and N is order of group G. So obviously M less than N implies N equals MQ plus R, where Q and R belongs to Z, R lies between 0 and M, may be equal to 0 or M. A power N equals A power MQ plus R. A power MQ into A power R. A power N equals E. E equals A power M whole power Q A power R. A power M equals E. E power Q. E power Q into A power R. E power Q is E A power R. This implies A power R equals identity element E. Since R lies between 0 and M, may be equal to 0 or M. But A power R equals E is a contradiction. Therefore, R equals 0. N equals MQ plus R. N equals MQ. By this statement, we can write M divides N. M is order of an element. N is order of a group G. Therefore, order of A divides order of G. Next example, the order of any power of an element of a group cannot exceed the order of the element. Order of any power, suppose A is an element, order of A power K cannot exceed the order of A. Okay, solution, let A is the element of group G. Now take A, order of A is N. Okay, that is A power N equals E. Let A power K be any power of A. A power N equals E. A raise the power by K on both sides. A power N whole power K equals E power K. This can be written as A power K whole power N equals E power K is E. By this statement, we can write order of A power K less than or equals N. This N. Next, In a group G, prove that order of AB equals order of BA. Consider order of AB equals order of X AB X inverse for every X belongs to G. In the last class we have proved order of A equals order of X A X inverse. Okay, similarly order of AB equals order of X AB X inverse. Let X equals B. Order of AB becomes order of B AB B inverse. B B inverse E, because B is an element. BA BAE equals BA. Order of AB equals order of BA. Okay, next. Give an example to show that order of AB less than or equals order of A into order of B for every AB belongs to G. Okay, let G equals set of 1 omega omega square roots of unity is a group with respect to multiplication. Okay, what is the order of 1? Obviously, no doubt, order of 1 is 1. Order of omega equals 3 because omega cube is 1 identity element under multiplication. Order of omega square equals 3. Omega square to the power 3 is 1. Okay, consider order of 1 into omega, that is order of omega 3. Order of 1 into order of omega. Order of 1 is 1. Order of omega 3. 1 into 3, 3. Order of omega omega square equals order of omega into omega square omega cube. Order of omega cube is 3. Order of omega into order of omega square. Order of omega is 3. Order of omega square is 3 equals 3 into 3, 9. We conclude that order of AB less than or equals order of A, order of B, because order of AB, this is 3. Here order of A into order of B is 9. So we can write order of AB less than or equals order of A into order of B.